Hi everyone, this is me again. So this list is going to be about the top 5 action dramas which are recent and completed. So the first drama on this list is Healer. Healer stars Ji Chang-wook, Yoo Ji-tae and Park Min-young. Now, Ji Chang-wook and Park Min-young have been getting better at playing romantic roles, and by the time Healer was released, they were already quite good. So you get excellent chemistry in this drama. Yoo Ji-tae plays the role of a concerned and melancholy oppa really well. Okay, this is one of Ji Chang-wook's best works. It is an action role, and we all know how good Ji Chang-wook is at action roles. So good that this list of 5 dramas has 2 of his dramas. Okay, so this drama has 5 friends in the year 1992 involved with a pro-democracy illegal group, and they get into an accident, and this accident has consequences. Many years later, this accident or this incident is investigated by a night courier. Night courier is someone who will deliver anything for money, uh, pick up and deliver anything for money. You'll understand what I'm talking about if you watch this drama. Ji Chang-wook plays this night courier who goes by the code name Healer. Park Min-young plays a tabloid journalist who has kind of a sad past but a good life. And Yoo Ji-tae plays a very famous journalist who wants to investigate this incident. The stories of both the past, that is in the year 1992, and the present are really good. The plot is very good. This drama has 20 episodes and it was released in 2015. Not very recent, I agree, but still. The second drama on this list is The K2, which again stars Ji Chang-wook, and this drama stars Imuna. This drama has a complicated plot. Ji Chang-wook plays a bodyguard who wants revenge against the people who killed his girlfriend, then blamed him for her murder, and he becomes a fugitive because of it. So he gets tasked with protecting the illegal daughter of a really famous politician who is on the way to become the presidential candidate. Now, this illegitimate child is played by Imuna. Song Yuna plays the evil stepmother role really well. It is basically an action romance drama. It has a lot of very good action scenes, and you get to see a different side to Ji Chang Wook's usually happy, cheerful character. Jo Sung-ha plays the presidential candidate, and Jo Sung-ha and Song Yuna, these two portray some really angry chemistry. You'll understand what I'm talking about when you watch this drama. There's something really different about veteran actors, like maybe it's their experience, I don't know, but it's just such a lot of fun watching them on screen. The third drama on this list is You Are All Surrounded. This drama was released in 2014 and has 20 episodes. It stars Cha Sung-won, Lee Sung-ki, Go Ara, An Jae-yoon, and Park Jang-min. This drama is about 4 rookie detectives who band together quite unwillingly, and they are troublemakers basically. They don't do anything right, at least in the initial few episodes. And they work under Cha Sung-won's character. Now, one of these 4, that is Lee Sung-ki, so he has a mysterious past. He's looking for revenge. He's looking for the person who killed his mother. The rest of the drama unfolds the story from the unsolved case of Lee Sung-ki's superior, who is played by Cha Sung-won. And Go Ara plays the role of someone who might have known Lee Sung-ki's character when he was young, but she's not sure of it. An Jae-yoon plays a complex character who was initially studying to be a doctor but then shifted to the police academy. Park Jin-min plays a really cute rookie detective who offers a lot of comic relief in this drama. But all 4 of them make an excellent team, and there's a little love story between the younger couple and an older couple. You'll find out when you watch the drama. It's one of those very rare crime dramas which have a teeny bit of romance in it. And there are 2 couples, not just one. The next drama on this list is Bad Guys. This was released in 2014. It has just 11 episodes. It stars Kim Sang-joon. Kim Sang-joon plays a veteran detective with a sad past who asks for the release of 3 convicts so that he can form a team to fight growing crime in Korea. Like diamond cuts diamond, so he wants to fight criminals with criminals. So now these three convicts are Park Hae-ji, who plays the role of a psychopath, Ma Dong-suk, who plays the role of a mob boss, and Jo Dong-hyuk, who plays the role of a hired hitman who just surrendered to the police out of the blue. So this drama has a lot of action and a lot of friendship and zero romance. This drama has broody Park Hae-jin from the old days when he used to be broody in all his dramas, and it stars the brutal Ma Dong-suk. Kim Sang-jung plays his usual melancholy self, and Jo Dong-hyuk displays his fantastic dancer-like fighting scenes. Fifth drama on this list is Rugal, which just completed. It has 16 episodes. It's on Netflix. So Rugal is based on a webtoon. It stars Choi Jin-hyuk and Jo Dong-hyuk. Now Jo Dong-hyuk is another actor who appears twice in this list. This drama has Jung In and Kim Min Sang. This drama is about an elite team of 4 people who all have some or the other body part that is bioengineered, without which they will not be able to function properly. For example, Choi Jin-hyuk plays the role of a detective whose wife was killed and he was blamed for her murder, and his eyes were also poked out. Quite gory, but it's a good drama. So he gets bioengineered eyes, and he's the hero of the series. I think what makes this drama interesting is the personal lives or the stories behind each of these members as to why they joined Rugal. The most interesting story might be that of the evil villain Park Sang-woong, who's a mob boss. He portrays the psychopathic evil villain to perfection, as always. So on one side you have the story of Rugal, and on the other hand you have the story of the growing discontentment in the crime syndicate. So both the stories run parallel and both these stories are equally interesting. So these are the top 5 action Korean dramas. So I hope you like this list, and like, share and subscribe for more. Bye.